So good afternoon, everyone. I apologize for the delay and little technical difficulties, but for the record, it is shortly after 3 p.m. on August 19th, 2020, and we are at the New Hampshire Department of Environmental Services offices at 29 Hazen Drive in Concord, New Hampshire, to come out of recess for the public hearing on a variance petition for Saint-Gobain Performance Plastics located in Merrimack, New Hampshire, and close that hearing also. On August 5th, 2020, NHDES conducted the public hearing utilizing the GoToWebinar platform in accordance with the governor's emergency order to solicit comments on the Saint-Gobain Plastics Variance Petition. During this public hearing, NHDES extended the public comment period to receive written comments until 4 p.m. on Wednesday, August 12th, 2020. Due to a technical issue in NHDES procedural rules governing variances, it was necessary for NHDES to keep the hearing open until the close of the public comment period. The hearing was recessed on August 5th. My name is Michael Fitzgerald, and I was appointed by Craig Wright, Director of the NHDES Air Resources Division, to serve as the hearing officer for this public hearing. Also representing NHDES today is Catherine Beam, Administrator of the Air Resources Division. Once again, I would note, in accordance with the governor's emergency orders, I'm confirming that we are providing public access to this hearing by telephone with additional access by GoToMeeting for this electronic hearing. All participating NHDES staff have the ability to communicate contemporaneously during this meeting through this platform, and the public has access to contemporaneously listen to this meeting. The meeting link is posted on the NHDES website under NH PFAS investigation page. As outlined on the NHDES webpage containing information on today's hearing, there will be no opportunity for additional public comments at this time, since the public comment period closed at 4 p.m. on Wednesday, August 12th, 2020. This hearing is being conducted in accordance with the New Hampshire Code of Administrative Rules, ENVA 200 and ENVC 200. As required by these rules, an audio record of this hearing is being recorded. Also, this hearing is being recorded on the GoToMeeting platform and will be posted later this week on NHDES website, as well as Facebook and Twitter. I now declare the hearing to come out of recess, and I'll provide the following brief statement as to the status of the variance petition to date, and then officially close the public hearing. Saint-Gobain Performance Plastics requested a variance of the February 11th, 2021 deadline to complete construction and installation of a regenerative thermal oxidizer. This deadline was set pursuant to RSA 125-C:10-E and the terms of temporary permit number TP-0256 issued on February 11th, 2020 by NHDES Air Resources Division. Saint-Gobain Performance Plastics requested that a variance be granted until February 11th, 2022, or 1 year from the date of a final non-appealable order disposing of the town of Merrimack's appeal of the permit to the New Hampshire Air Resources Council. Council Appeal Docket number 20-05 ARC, whichever is earlier of those two dates. During the public comment period, 220 different people or entities submitted written comments to NHDES, and 16 people provided oral testimony during the August 5th public hearing. Pursuant to ENVA 202.07, DES Rule ENVA 202.07, within 15 working days after the public hearing, NHDES shall issue a written decision on the petition that sets forth the findings on which the decision is based. In order to accommodate the extended public comment period and the ability for NHDES to include any additional comments received during that period into the final decision, NHDES kept the public hearing record open until today's hearing. While the regulations allow for the department to make a final decision on the variance petition no later than 15 working days from today, which would be September 9th, NHDES will strive to issue a final decision, excuse me, no later than 15 working days from the close of the comment period, which would be on September 2nd. As was stated at the August 5th hearing, all those who registered for the August 5th hearing and those who submitted written comments will be provided with a copy of the final decision via email. It will also be available on the NHDES website. This concludes today's hearings and my statement, and I now close the public hearing. Thank you again for your time. The hearing is closed.